Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Teachers Pay Teachers Income Report for 2022. If this kind of video makes you feel uncomfortable, please click away. You will not hurt my feelings. Before we start, I wanted to let you know that I almost didn't record this video because I felt like I didn't make much progress this year. But as I was creating this document and really looking at my statistics, I realized that I did make a lot of progress. It's just very slow. So let's get into this. I made a total of $526.30. This is after Teachers Pay Teachers took their cut and before I put away 25% for taxes. So, in comparison to 2021, I made significantly more money. So, in 2021, I made $141.23 for that year. And as you can see, I more than doubled this. So, when you're looking at that aspect, that is amazing. For growth in 1 year, I made so much more money. So, it's kind of a mindset that you have to be in. Where it's like you didn't get everything you wanted, but you've made huge progress. So here's a quick breakdown of my monthly income compared to 2021, and then I went ahead and I started adding in specific milestones that I had. So in January, I started with 26 products, and I made $20.64 that month. I didn't do anything, but I thought that was a fair amount of money for the lack of work I was putting in. So in February, I added 2 seasonal products. There were 2 Valentine's products, and I made $31.29. And as you can see, the previous years, I didn't make anything that month. So in 2021, didn't make anything. And I saw that increase and I thought, you know what, I'm going to start taking Teachers Pay Teachers seriously. So in March, I bought the $60 membership and I really started to take it seriously. So as you can see, in March, I made $20.66. It was a large increase from the previous year. April, I made $12.69. May, I made $24.62. And then in June, I made $19.18. In July, I went up to $20. In August, I went up to $41. And you can see that it slowly increased. Now, in September, I had a September 11th resource that sold amazingly, and I made $229.94. That was the biggest month I have ever seen. So I was really excited. And then in October, I made $27.36, November $43.75. I had quite a few resources for November, seasonal ones. And then in December, I made $34.35, and I had quite a few December seasonal resources. So I felt like that helped out a lot. And then I ended off the year with, I think, 76 products. So in the total of really a year, I made 50 products, which is a good amount of products. So I was pretty happy with that. And one thing to take inventory of was I did not have any months where I did not make any money, which you can see in 2021, there were 5 months actually, where I didn't make anything. My 2022 Teachers Pay Teachers takeaway was I did have a profit each month. So that's a positive thing to think about. And you never know when you are one product away from financial growth. And that's what I saw in September, was that one product made me so much money. I was shocked. And then another takeaway was you need to stick with it and be patient. I have a problem with sticking with it and being patient. I want things to happen quickly, and that's just a lesson I'm learning. And growth happens slowly, and many people online say it, but they say, you know, my growth happens slowly. I think Becca Davis literally just said that in one of her videos. And that's true. Like, you just want to be where they are, but they've put in so much work. So I know that I'm in that slow growth stage. And you never know what will happen in a year. And that is why I made this video, because I want to look back on it next year and see what growth I had and where I'm going to be in 2024. So if you like this video, please leave a comment below telling me what were your 2022 takeaways with Teachers Pay Teachers.